Alright people, we greet you now. Welcome now to this our channel. If na the first time when I dey waka jam this our channel, make una follow us, make una like our page, and make una help us dey share our videos. Una know say na ogbonge updated news, breaking news, correct tori na we dey carry come for una for here. So if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush go subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we like say we drop updates, una go dey notified. Anyway, my people, make we enter the updates and the tori wey we carry come for una like this. Make una watch.
Yes, so my people, make una come hear wetin Labour Party don uncover ahead of this presidential tribunal judgement. My people, no be small thing though. A lot just dey uncover since tribunal announce say na today wey be 6th of September dem wan give judgement. So many things don dey open o. Wey come even make dem say dem go televise am o. My people, I no go talk too much o. This press release so una need to hear am. Una need to hear am from the beginning to the end. Make una listen and make una no forget to like and share. Watch the video.
It's become necessary for the Labour Party to draw the attention of the public and indeed democratic watchers to some unfolding developments in the country ahead of tomorrow's ruling of the Presidential Election Petition Court. The unguarded statement from the former Justice of the Supreme Court of Nigeria, Justice Mary Odili in Abuja last week at a colloquium to mark the 25th anniversary of the elevation of a renowned jurist, J.K. Gazama, to the rank of Senior Advocate of Nigeria, SAN, and the boasting of some persons, 7 ministers and notable legislators about the outcome has left our party in shock. When those who should know the importance of the sanctity of the judiciary descend to the arena of abusing it with their preemptive utterances just to show loyalty and support to their interests, we as a party see this as unfortunate and dangerous to our democratic journey as a nation. We note also the needless lavish showering of praises on the legal counsels of both APC and candidate Bola Ahmed Tinubu by the retired justice when the gathering was not theirs. We find this extremely undignified of a renowned jurist who rose to the peak of her career in the country's apex court and who, as the chairperson of the body of benches, should be at the forefront of defending the virtuousness of the courts. Also curious to every discerning mind watching the unfolding events in Nigeria since the February 25th presidential election is the fact that the PEPC that refused live television coverage of the hearings of the petition and is now anxious to have the conclusion beamed live. What is it that has happened between the hearing period and the delivery of the judgment that the live coverage, which they claimed was a policy issue, changed suddenly at the delivery point? We are aware of the efforts of the agents of the states to orchestrate problems and blame them on the political opposition. We wish to emphasize that it is the right of the people in democracy to demonstrate and the obligation of state security agents to protect the demonstrators and those demonstrating. Meanwhile, we implore Nigerians to remain calm and peaceful, abide by the rule of law, and understand that this matter has not reached its logical and final conclusion. Our concern as a critical stakeholder in Nigeria's project, especially the democratic evolution, is that what is being destroyed with all these clever by half playing on people's intelligence is Nigeria as a nation, not necessarily an individual. Anybody who loves this country should appreciate the importance of due process and the rule of law, because without it, this country is going nowhere. Signed, Obiora Ifo, National Publicity Secretary, Labour.
The Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Olukayode Ariola, had in November 2022 sworn in 307 justices to handle the 2023 general election petitions, while an additional 39 were added on May 25, totaling 346. Their job is to sit and deliver judgment before September 16. 5 of the judges are on the panel hearing the presidential election petition. They are Justice Haruna Samani, who is the chairman, Justice Stephen Ada, Justice Mansoura Balaji Yusuf, Justice Moses Ugo, and Justice Abba Mohammed. A senior advocate of Nigeria, Chris Uche, is leading the legal team of the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, Atiku Abubakar, while another senior advocate of Nigeria, Wale Olanikpekun, as the legal team of President Bola Tinubu. The incumbent Attorney General of the Federation, Lateef Fagbemi, leads the legal team of the All Progressives Congress, and a senior advocate of Nigeria, Levi Uzouku, is the head of the legal team for the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi. 5 political parties lodged petitions against the victory of President Tinubu, including the PDP and LP. Others are Action People's Party, APP, and the Allied People's Movement, APM, and the Action Alliance, AA. However, shortly after the commencement of the pre-hearing session in May, the APP and AA withdrew their petitions.